Hello, welcome to another Computer Terms for Beginners video. Today we will be covering Term 11, DisplayPort. DisplayPort is a digital display interface standardized by the Video Electronics Standards Association, or VESA for short, and is typically used to connect computers to computer monitors. These connections also carry audio, USB-compliant data, as well as other forms of data, such as Ethernet data and Internet protocols. DisplayPort was approved by VESA on May 3, 2006, and it started being used as early as that same month. Furthermore, we have a standard for VGA, which stands for Video Graphics Array. This is a video display connector first introduced with IBM computers in 1987, becoming unanimous as the display standard for computers for the following 3 years. A VGA display typically has a lower maximum display resolution than those of DisplayPorts and HDMI connections. VGA connections are still used to this day and can currently display a maximum resolution of 2048 by 1536. Where current HDMI resolutions can reach up to a maximum 10,000, and DisplayPorts can reach a maximum resolution of 16K. Although VGA can display video signals similar to HDMI and DisplayPort, VGA does use a completely different kind of connector, and it uses a different standard to display said images between a computer and a monitor, and is not able to carry additional data or audio through its cable. VGA typically carries analog video signals, whereas HDMI and DisplayPorts typically carry digital video signals. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Computer Terminology for Beginners. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and send a like, go ahead and subscribe for more content, and if you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. If you want to check out last week's video on HDMIs, go ahead and check out the link on the left, and if you want to catch the playlist, go ahead and select the link on the right, and please stay tuned for next week's episode on Ethernet.